have a confession to make. I don't know how to vlog, but I would like to vlog.
Yeah, theory because ang tatay niya may...
It's payback time.
Alam mo, unconsciously, sa naisip ko pangalan ng mga asawa ko.
We're not really strangers. Dapat lang, no? Nanay mo ko eh.
Pumpkin!
To do things my way. I always want to have control of my life. Not necessarily yung mga sinabi ng magulang ko or anything.
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
Bakit?
Wala. Sabihin.
I don't like where this is going.
Knowing na aga mo nag-start, aga ng everything, why did you keep us? It's not enough na, for me I don't think it's enough na dahil sabihin na, dahil anak ko kayo ganun.
It's a choice. It was my choice because I know hindi ko kayang pumatay ng tao. Part ko, parang papatayin ko yung part ko pag ginawa ko yun. I will not choose to live my life na okay nga ako, wala akong responsibility and I'm free of responsibility pero part of me is dead. Again, no judgment doon sa pro-abortion ha. Walang judgment doon. Iba-iba tayo ng storya ng buhay, iba-iba yung reasons natin and this is just for me.
Let's go.
2 very boring minutes later.
Napapanot ka naman. Ang butang ilan ni Tsura.
Talo!
Nataya ako nung isang araw sa pants ko.
Totoo yan?
Oo.
Sure?
Oo. Kasi kala ko utot, may sumabay.
Alam mo nung bata siya, madalas niyang gawin yun.
Taihin talaga ako, di ko lang bakit.
Wala akong maisip na embarrassing moment. Oh my gosh. Ba't ganun? May naisip ka for you?
Wala pa nga eh. Makapal talaga mukha ko kahit anong mangyari.
Ako rin eh.
You serious?
hindi ako easily embarrassed. You can easily laugh it out.
Oh, I can easily laugh it out.
Diba?
I could see it, no? Ang inang tanong yan, oh. Napaka-specific to na.
Tsaka ano, ang ganda.
What am I trying to prove for myself? Na I can control everything, pero at the same time, I need to learn to not control everything.
To do things my way. I always want to have control of... Secret handshake. Dito, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Meron na kaming secret handshake. Ano ba to? When I said I love you to anyone before, I really meant it. Hindi talaga ako nagsasabi ng I love you. Kahit na the person is saying I love you, ako talagang, thank you.
Adaptation. Things I've learned from the past. I've seen the lesson, learned the lesson. Time to adapt.
Namimiss ko naman kiligin. Feeling of, being in love, butterflies on the stomach. You want it and yet you don't want it. But I miss the feeling of being in love. I miss the feeling of butterflies in the stomach.
Siguro nung di na ako naging kalbo. Yung biglang may style na yung hair, na may bagano na ako sa gilid. Oo.
Bakit?
Parang sabi ko, yeah, I'm a man now. Parang I'm a boy na. Hindi na ako child lang.
May choice ka na to.
Oo, may choice na ako sa sarili ko. Sabi ko, yeah. Ang dami ko na naging friend na babae, tulad, gano'n. Pangalan ng mga asawa ko,